Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. And if you're new to this channel, hi, my name is Nisha. I make videos related to beauty, fashion and lifestyle. I would be really happy if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel down below. In today's video, we are going to talk about some of my product empties and did I like them, did they suit my skin, or will I be repurchasing them or not? So without any further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, I have emptied quite a few products, but yeah, these are not all the products that I have emptied. I have emptied a lot more than this, but I couldn't save the packaging for various reasons. But nevertheless, we are going to talk about the products that we could save the packaging to record this video. It includes makeup, skincare, body care, hair care, everything, and we are gonna dive right into this basket in no particular order. So the first product I'm gonna talk about is Vaseline Healthy White Visible Fairness Lotion Instant Fair. First thing first, we live in 21st century and I really think brands need to stop making this claim of lightening, giving you instant fair skin. No product can give you instant fair skin, no product can lighten down your skin, and all skin tones are healthy, not only white skin tones, but all skin tones are healthy. I do not stand by the claims that this product makes, and I wouldn't be repurchasing this product just because of its claims. Otherwise, the product is very good. It's quite moisturizing to the body, it hydrates the body well, and it gives you a subtle glow for all day. And it's quite affordable too, and packaging is also, the sturdy packaging, sturdy plastic packaging. Everything about this product is good except the claims that this product makes. So will I be repurchasing it? No, just because of the claims that it makes. Once the brand changes its claims, I might go back and repurchase the product. Till then, bye-bye. So the next product I'm going to talk about is TRESemmé Keratin Smooth Shampoo. Oh my god. I have gone through bottles and bottles and bottles of this. I love this product so much. It has made my hair this smooth, frizz-free, shiny looking, and no other shampoo that I have ever used have given me the results that this shampoo has given me. I am using this shampoo since 2 years. In middle, I have used different shampoos the brands sent me, and I had to try them to review them, but no shampoo has ever given me the results that this has. And will I be repurchasing this? I already have a bottle bigger than this in my washroom. So yeah, I always have a backup of this. I love this so much. The next product I'm going to talk about is a face wash from The Derma Co. It is their AHA PHA foaming cleanser. I have completely used of this product, and as you can see by the packaging, it is totally abused. And how? But will I be repurchasing it? Did I like it? No. Firstly, it claims to have mentolic acid, glycolic acid, salicylic acid in it. Why on earth do you need a face wash that has so many acids in it? Okay, one acid, like it might have salicylic acid and you might use it because you have acne prone skin, understandable. But so many acids? No, you don't need a face wash like that. You can use a toner, a serum, a mask which has this acids, because you are going to leave them on for 10 minutes or more, so that acids can work on your skin. But a face wash, you're only going to use it for a minute or two, and I don't think any of the acids can perform so fast on your skin. You need to leave the acids on your face for it to improve the texture of your skin. So firstly, going by the claims, I do not like the ingredient list in the product first, and secondly, it leaves a different kind of white cast on your skin. Like whenever you use it, morning, night, when you're in summers, in winters, it leaves that sticky white white cast on your face. And no, I'm not for that feeling. I'm not for that torture again. I had to complete it because I had bought it, so I did complete it off. But I wouldn't be suggesting this to anyone or repurchasing it. No. The next product I'm going to talk about is again a face wash from Kaya, acne free purifying face wash with salicylic acid for oily to combination skin. This is the face wash I would suggest you for sure. This is the second empty packaging, I think so. I have already emptied the bigger one of it. It is the 50-gram one, 50 ml one, and I have already emptied the 100 ml one also. I don't have the packaging, I might have thrown it away. But will I repurchase it? For sure. I have already restocked it. I love it so much. It is amazing for acne prone skin. I love it to the core. It doesn't foam that much, so if you like the foam that builds up and stuff, this is not the product for you. But if you're from acne family like me, acne prone skin family like me, you would really love it. You would really enjoy this product. And again, this has salicylic acid in it. I don't know how it works. It doesn't actually treat the already existing pimple on your face, but yes, it prevents other pimples to pop up by cleaning your pores nicely. So yeah, I would keep repurchasing it until I find a better cleanser. The next product I see is the Biotique Advanced Ayurveda Bio Papaya Revitalizing Tan Removal Scrub. Oh my god, this is again one of those products that I have gone through tubs and tubs and tubs of it, and even tubes of it. It comes in a tube packaging too. So I really love this product. I really enjoy it. It actually removes your tan in an effective way, not like instantly, but yeah, if you keep using it, it will definitely help you with the tan. I used to hate scrubbing because I used to use the wrong scrubs and they used to harm and damage my skin so much. They were so harsh on the skin. But then I came across this scrub which works amazingly and is not harsh on your skin. It isn't harsh on your skin and it is so affordable. So I would really suggest that you buy this one. And will I be repurchasing it? I would definitely repurchase it, but for my body, not for my face, because I have put physical exfoliation on my face and shifted to chemical exfoliation, about which I will talk in some other video. But right now, will I repurchase it? Yes, I will definitely, for my hands, my legs. It prevents the strawberry legs even that we suffer after shaving and all. So I would repurchase it for my body and not for my face. The next product I'm going to talk about is the Livon Serum Vitamin E. Control frizz, ease out tangles, reduce breakage, get silky shiny hair. Oh my god, I think this is that one product every girl has been using since their childhood in India. I totally love this product. I have been using other serums, hair serums back and forth, but I always tend to go back to this, and there's nothing better than this. It's like my comfort zone, सबका एक comfort zone होता है. So in hair serum, this is my comfort zone. So I always go back to this. Will I repurchase it? I have already repurchased it. I have stocked it up, and I will keep repurchasing it till I don't even know when. The next product I see is the Good Vibes Rosehip Radiant Glow Face Serum. Oh my god, I love the serum and how this is one of those things that made Good Vibes. Like you can see, I have completely used it off. There's nothing left in it, and this is not the only bottle that I have completely used off of this. I have used off I think 3 to 4 bottles of this, and this is one of that product that has actually worked so amazingly for me. It gives your skin that instant radiant glow without making it feel oily. It gives you hydration, moisturization, and after using this many a days, I being from a dry skin family, even I didn't feel the need to use a moisturizer. It was so good. Will I repurchase it? Yes, I will, and I just love it. I would suggest every one of you to try this for once because it's affordable and it's one of the best out there. The next product I see is the Maybelline Color Show nail paint in the shade Pink Champagne. Okay, so for me to go through a complete nail polish, it takes a lot, okay? And I have completely finished this. Like, there's nothing left, nothing. I have completely finished it. I have scratched the ends of it and finished it. Now nothing can come out of it. It is in the shade Pink Champagne and it's such a lovely shade. And me being me, as you can see, I love nail paints, but I scratch them off. These are my gel nails, but still you can see I have scratched it off from the bottom. So me being me, this nail paint lasts me for a week after applying it. Because it's a glitter nail paint, it's not easily removable and it doesn't remove easily, it doesn't chip easily, so it lasts me for a week. Will I repurchase this? Definitely yes, but I'm not able to find it anywhere. I don't know if they have discontinued this or what, but I totally love it. If I find it somewhere, I'm definitely gonna repurchase it, and I would suggest you to even. It's a lovely shade, lovely formula, and your nails are gonna look amazing after this. Also, if you know where I can find this, because it's not on Amazon, it's not on Flipkart, it's not on Nykaa, it's not on Purple, so if you know where I can find it, please let me know in the comments down below. The next product that I see is the Swiss Beauty Tip and Twist Nail Lacquer Remover Sponge in the shade Grape. Okay, so I have abused it in house. See, you can see sponge pieces coming out because I have used it so much. I would say it's very convenient to use when you're a nail paint lover like me, and yeah, it's very convenient to use, but I wouldn't suggest this and I wouldn't repurchase this just because of the fact that you need to dip your finger in it and twist it around, then the nail polish will be removed. It just dries out my cuticles, if you know what I'm telling, and it makes the cuticles a little black in color also. I don't know, is it just me or it didn't work out for me, to say the least. I would prefer the normal bottle nail polish removers which we need to pour on a cotton and then remove it. I would prefer them over this. The next product I see is the Parachute Coconut Oil. Oh my god, I have used it off, as you can see. This one is a small travel pack. I recently went for travel, so I bought the travel one. But this one I have been using, my mother has been using, my brother has been using, my father has been using since childhood, like since ages we can't even remember. The bigger bottles of this, the smaller ones of this, the different variants like the Ayurvedic one, the aloe vera one, we have been using everything, and we always go back to the original Parachute one. I think this is something which is staple in all Indian homes and we cannot do without it. We need it and we'll keep repurchasing it because this is love. The next product that I see is the Good Vibes Rose Illuminating Face Mist. This one again I have used off completely, as you can see, like completely I have used off. I love this one. I love their toners even, and the face mist. I have used their neem and tulsi, lavender, jasmine toners, face mist. I have gone through bottles of this because I am a dry skin person, as I have already told 100 times in this video, and I really like to keep spritzing my face with a good rose water and lavender water. So I really like this one, and it's affordable, it's natural, it's free from I think so paraben, sulfate, cruelty, and the fragrance of this is so nice. This one, lavender one, the jasmine one, the fragrance of this one is to die for. Like, you spritz it on and it's like 1,000 roses hit your face, and the lavender one, 1,000 lavenders hit your face. It's so nice in fragrance, and it gives you a cooling nice effect, you know. So yeah, I have repurchased it in the past. I will keep repurchasing it, and in all its variants. I would suggest lavender, rose and jasmine are my favorite fragrances in the face mist one. So try it out. Product that I see is the La Roche-Posay Effaclar Duo Plus. This product right here has been the biggest game changer in my skincare routine. Now it is not available in India, but at the time it was available. I think this was my second or third tube, and this has worked so well for my acne prone skin. Like, even my scars were starting to fade off when I was using this. So I absolutely love it. I would love to repurchase it, but it's not available in India. So if I might find it somewhere some other day, I am definitely gonna repurchase it. And if you find it somewhere, please purchase it. It's gonna be an amazing product for your skincare routine. If you belong to acne prone skin, you're gonna come back and thank me for this one. The next product I see is a beauty blender. Okay, so as you can see, I have completely used it off, and now this one is torn and of no use, cut in half. I have completely used this off. It is from the company Pack. Yeah, it is from the company Pack, and I love this beauty blender. It is for 500 rupees something, I guess. I don't know the exact price, but approximately 500, and it works amazing. It blends your foundation, your makeup, everything like no one's business. I haven't used a better sponge than this. Okay, I haven't tried the original beauty blender one, but I have tried the others like the Nykaa one, you know, the other sponges that we get. I have tried various brands, but I always come back to this. I love this so much. This is my OG makeup sponge, and I would suggest everyone to have it. I already have it. I'm using one currently, and I already have a seal pack of one ready when I will get over it, the one I'm using right now. So I totally love it, and everyone should buy it. The next thing I see is the Color Trend Dynamic Liquid Eyeliner Pen. I love using, you know, pen type eyeliners because they are super easy to use, and this one is super affordable too. I have used, I think, 2 or 3 of this, and now I think the packaging and the brand has changed. The new one which I was currently using was M&N, and it came in a black packaging. M&N Dynamic Eyeliner Pen. Yeah, that was that, and it came in black packaging. They work amazingly. They are super affordable and super easy to use for beginners. Like, even beginners can nail their eyeliner game. So yeah, I would definitely buy this again, and I would suggest everyone to buy it. If you like the video, please hit the like button, and do leave a comment on which of these products worked for you and which of this didn't, and any other queries that you have. Till then, I will see you all with my next video. Bye bye, take care.